Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the lock screen clock color on your Samsung smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select wallpaper and style. And now you want to select where it says clock, color, and size. Go ahead and left click on that. And you can adjust the color as well as the size by selecting these options here. You can adjust whether you want it to be small or a dynamic clock. Again, dynamic just means this size changes according to the lock screen content. So if you have a lot of stuff popping up on your screen, the clock might get a little smaller, or if there's no notifications, it may get larger. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.